Getting the DPC WATCHDOG violation blue screen in Windows 11. This error is often related to storage or device drivers. So I'll show you the step to identify the cause and fix the BSOD. If the blue screen shows a file name ending in .6, write it down. Per DPC WATCHDOG violation, the problem is commonly associated with the storage and device drivers. Pay particular attention to SSD or NVMe drivers, SATA or AHCI storage controllers, chipset drivers, graphics drivers, network drivers. You just restart your computer, and if your Windows starts normally and you can reach to the desktop, continue with the steps. If Windows keeps crashing or can't reach the desktop, enter safe mode first. First, you just restart your computer for several times using physical power button until you get into the recovery mode. Now here just select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options, then go to Startup Settings. Now click on Restart. Now in the screen, simply press F4 to get into safe mode. Put a password, hit enter. Now open Device Manager. Simply press Windows X on your keyboard. Select Device Manager. Expand IDE ATA/ATAPI controllers and storage controllers. Right click on the relevant controllers and select Properties. Go to Driver. If the problem started after a driver update, use rollback driver if available. Otherwise, install the latest compatible storage or chipset driver from your PC or motherboard manufacturer website. If you're using an SSD or NVMe drive, check whether the manufacturer has firmware update available. Use the manufacturer official SSD management software if one is provided. Don't interrupt the firmware update once it starts. Now in here, it doesn't matter if you're in normal mode or a safe mode. The commands will remain same. Press Ctrl X again, select Terminal as admin, and now type this command. DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health and press enter. Let it finish completely. Now run this command SFC /scan now and press enter. Wait until the screen reaches 100%. When it's completed, just close it and just restart the computer. Now open Terminal as an administrator. Press Windows X. Select Terminal Admin. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now type this command CHKDSK C:/F and press enter. If Windows asks to schedule the scan for the next restart, type Y and press enter. Now just close it. Now restart the PC and allow the disk check to finish it. If the DPC WATCHDOG violation keeps running, check your SSD or hard drive health, run a memory test. To perform a memory test, click on the Start button and search for Windows Memory Diagnostic. Just open it, select this option, Restart Now and check for problems. Now your PC will restart it and check for problems. If you find storage or memory error, back up your important files before continuing. If the BSOD started recently after installing a driver, update or software, use System Restore. Now press Windows I to open the settings and search for Create a Restore Point. Here it is. Select it and choose a restore point from before the problem started. If DPC WATCHDOG violation still appears after these steps, the problem may involve a storage controller, SSD firmware, driver conflict, or corrupted Windows files, or failing hardware. Back up your important files before using advanced recovery options or replacing hardware. That's how to troubleshoot DPC WATCHDOG violation in Windows 11. If these steps fixed your BSOD, subscribe for TechSev Lab. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.